Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads and an easy gift card holder. If you'd like to make one, I'm happy to show you how. I'm starting with a basic white cardstock base cut to 5.5 inches by 10 inches and scored on the long side at 4.25 inches and 8.5 inches. My front panel is 4 inches by 5.25 inches and has been embossed with the Fern 3D embossing folder. The inside panel is 1.25 inches by 5.25 inches and was embossed with the same folder. I'm applying tear and tape to the flap edges to form a pocket for a gift card. I'm removing the protective backing with my Take Your Pick tool. The message portion of my card is a piece of Night of Navy cardstock cut to 3.5 inches by 6 inches and scored on the long side at 3 inches. The front panel is from the Sun Prince patterned paper and is cut to 2.75 inches by 3.25 inches. I stamped the fern from Nature's Prints in Pacific Point ink on a piece of basic white cardstock cut to 2.75 inches by 3.25 inches. I'm running the long edge of a bone folder over the back of my card to make sure that glue is spread out evenly. I die cut some of the greenery from the ranunculus die set in silver foil and strategically applied 2 glue dots to the back. I also die cut a ranunculus leaf from basic white cardstock and adhered it with glue dots. I stamped "Congratulations" from the Happy and Heartfelt stamp set in Pacific Point on a strip of basic white cardstock. I then used a label die from the Nature's die set to fancy it up a bit. A few dimensionals on the back of my greeting pop it up a little bit. I added a few sprigs from the Forever Fern die set. I cut these from scraps of Pacific Point and added just a dot of glue. I think this particular design is perfect for a wedding. Check out my blog for a graduation version and a birthday version. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below.